Welcome back. The Goa Cricket Association is looking for land to build its own cricket stadium in the state. Since the government land at TV allotted to GCA on a long lease is in legal tangle, the state cricket body is willing to buy its own land. PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar has said there is 1 lakh square meter land at Farmagudi, but the GCA seems keen on acquiring land near Panji or Vasco.
This is the land at Thivi allotted to the Goa Cricket Association by the government on lease. But since an NGO took the GCA to court for allegedly working on the forest area without necessary permissions, the matter is just dragging along. Now, the new managing committee of the GCA is not sure whether they will get this land cleared to construct the stadium. PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar came out with an informal proposal while talking to Prudent on the sidelines of the GCA elections.
GCA किंवा गव्हर्नमेंट गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजीत जर स्टेडियम काडटा म्हजे कडेन ग्राउंड तयार आसा. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेस आसा. जवळ जवळ 1,20,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर ग्राउंड आसा म्हजे कडेन. पार्किंग स्पेस आसा. अवे फ्रॉम शहर आसा. सिटी एरिये पासून फोंडा सिटी आणि मिडल ऑफ गोवा.
It seems like the GCA is not keen on any area that is far off from the 5-star hotels or airport. Since GCA has ample money, it can buy the required land for the stadium. Meanwhile, former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath made a surprising statement that Pensy Commission report did not come to him when in power. The report indicting former Minister and GCA President Dayanand Narvekar, current President Vinod Phadke and former Treasurer Rama Shankar Das was shelved by the Pratap Singh Rane government in 2005. Kamath refused to make a comment on the change in guard at the GCA.
You feel that when you were there in power, nothing could be done to Narvekar, but today, the change of power, the power has changed in GCA.
I would not like to make comments on that because this is a sports field. So, best people should decide.
Was the Pensy Commission ever come to you when you were in power?
It has never come to me.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Don Bosco College from Panji won the intercollegiate futsal tournament. They beat SS Temple College in a thrilling final by 4-3. The tournament was organized by Don Bosco Oratory with the support of Sports Department of Goa University.
In all, 11 men's college teams and 4 women's college teams participated. Father Agnel College from Pilar won the women's finals. Don Bosco College beat Dempo in the men's finals. Here are some of the highlights. Executive Director of SAG Elvis Gomes was the chief guest for the finals and gave away the prizes along with Football Council Chairman Dr. Rufin Montero. Our video journalist from Panji Prajot Pednekar.
Patolyo and only Patolyo. Nag Pancham was celebrated on the Panchami of Sharavan Shukla Paksh on Tuesday. The festival is celebrated with faith and fervor. Snake idols are worshipped and are offered patolyos and milk. This marks the beginning of major Hindu festivals. Migrant laborers celebrate this festival in a unique way. Watch it. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.